Welcome to our channel. If you need to view your Venmo transaction history and download statements for your financial records, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your smartphone and log in using your credentials or biometric authentication. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Statements from the menu options to access your transaction history and statement generation tools. Step 4. Choose the statement period you want to review, such as monthly or a custom date range. Step 5. Review the list of transactions including payments sent, payments received, Venmo card purchases, and any fees charged. Step 6. Tap Download or Generate Statement to create a PDF version of your selected statement period. Step 7. The statement will be emailed to the email address associated with your Venmo account, or you can download it directly to your device. Step 8. Save the statement for your records, accounting purposes, or tax filing. You can also export transaction data as a CSV file for detailed analysis. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.